Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a new way on how to download and install Capcut in Windows. So let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is, if you want to do it the traditional way, then you can go to Capcut.com in your browser and you can click here to download for Windows and you will be able to download it. But we don't want to do that for now because we want a new method, and that is go into the Microsoft Store. You just need to search Store here in your taskbar and Microsoft Store should come up. And once you have launched your Microsoft Store, you should be able to pop here, and then you want to type here Capcut and wait for it to load. And there you go, there is Capcut, and all you need to do is just click on install and wait for it. It depends on your internet connection, on how you're going to be able to download Capcut quickly, and it will be automatically installed. So that's it for this video.